Turbocharged engines are known for their power and efficiency, but they also demand more care and attention compared to standard engines. Keeping your turbo engine in good condition not only ensures better performance, but also extends its lifespan. So, how can you protect and extend the life of your turbo? Well, worry not, because today we are going to share the top 6 ways to protect your turbo engine and keep it running smoothly for years to come. Number 1. Warm up your engine before driving. Turbocharged engines need extra care, especially when starting from a cold state. Unlike non-turbo engines, turbos take longer to warm up. When you start your car, let it idle for a few minutes before driving. This warm-up period allows the oil to circulate properly and lubricate the engine components. It helps to prevent excessive wear and tear. In cold weather, the oil can thicken, making it even more crucial to let your engine warm up. By driving gently during the first few minutes, you allow the engine to reach its optimal operating temperature gradually. This practice not only extends the life of your turbo, but also enhances overall performance and reliability. Number 2. Use high-quality oil and change it regularly. Turbo engines operate at higher temperatures and pressures. This means the oil needs to be strong enough to handle these conditions. Always use high-quality oil designed specifically for turbo engines. Check your owner's manual for the recommended type. Changing the oil regularly is crucial too. Old dirty oil loses its ability to protect your engine, which can lead to serious damage over time. Number 3. Choose high-quality fuel. The type of fuel you use can significantly impact the performance and longevity of your turbocharged engine. Turbo engines are designed to work with high-octane fuel, which helps prevent knocking or pre-ignition. Using lower quality or off-brand fuels can lead to engine damage and decreased performance. Always choose fuel that meets or exceeds your car's octane rating requirements as specified by the manufacturer. High-quality fuel ensures proper combustion and helps your engine run more efficiently. Number 4. Allow the turbocharger to cool down. Turbochargers work hard and can get extremely hot, especially if you've been driving fast or towing heavy loads. To protect your turbocharger, let your engine idle for a few minutes before turning it off. This allows the turbo to cool down gradually. If you shut off the engine immediately after a high-performance drive, the rapid cooling can cause damage. So, give your turbo a moment to cool down and help it last longer. Number 5. Avoid over-revving the engine. Turbo engines are powerful, but that doesn't mean you should push them too hard. Over-revving or running the engine at excessively high speeds can cause significant damage. Always adhere to the manufacturer's recommended engine speeds and avoid driving aggressively. Respecting your engine's limits not only keeps it running smoothly, but also prevents costly repairs down the road. Number 6. Keep your engine clean. A clean engine is essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of your turbocharged engine. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate in the engine compartment and cause various issues, including overheating and inefficient operation. Regularly clean your engine area to prevent the buildup of harmful particles. Pay special attention to the air filter, as a clogged filter can restrict airflow and negatively impact engine performance. Keeping your engine clean not only helps it run more efficiently, but also prevents potential damage. Regular maintenance and cleaning of your engine compartment ensure that your turbocharged engine operates smoothly and lasts longer. By following these 6 essential tips, you can ensure your turbocharged engine remains in excellent shape. Taking a few simple steps to maintain your engine will not only enhance performance, but also save you from expensive repairs. Keep these tips in mind, and your turbo engine will reward you with reliable power and efficiency for years to come. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.